Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix where winds meet game not loading or stuck on loading screen problem on PC. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to run Steam or Epic Games as an administrator. So if you have the game on Steam, then just run Steam as an admin. So in Windows search type Steam and then click on run as administrator and then launch where meets game and check if your problem is solved or not. And if you have game on Epic Games, then in Windows search type Epic Games, run the Epic Games launcher as an administrator and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to switch launcher. Now if you have the game in Steam, then switch to Epic Games launcher and then launch the game and check, or you can also switch to the where winds meet website. So you can download the game from Play PC now from here, from the official website, and then you can launch the game and check. Now if you have the game in Epic Games, then switch to Steam or where winds meet website. And if you have downloaded the game from the where winds meet website, if you have downloaded the game from here, then you can either switch to Epic Games or Steam and then launch the game and check. So just switch the platform, switch the launcher, and then check which one works for you. Fix 3 is to play the game using DirectX 12 or vice versa. So open Steam, go to library, then select where winds meet and then click on play button. Now when you click on play button, you will get this type of option. So if you are playing with play where winds meets with first option, then switch to second option and then click on play and see if that works or not. And if you are playing with DirectX 12, then switch to first option and then click on play and check which one works for you. Fix 4. Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Then click on manage ransomware protection. Then click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder wherever you have installed the game. If you have game installed on Steam, then open program files x86, Steam apps common folder, then where winds meet folder, open engine folder, open binaries folder, open win64r folder. Now here look for the game exe file. Here it is wwm exe file. So select this wwm exe file and then click open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall, then click on change settings, then click on allow another app, then click on browse. Now go browse to the game installation folder. So open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam app folder, open common folder, and then open where wind meets folder, open engine folder, open binaries folder, open win64r folder, and then look for the game exe file. Select wwm exe file and then click open and then click on add. Now in my case it is already added. And then click on OK to save changes. And then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, EVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESET, then allow the game exe to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program, launch the game, play the game, and later on you can turn on your antivirus program. Fix 5 is to modify the game launch options. So open Steam, go to library, right click on where winds meet game and select properties. In the launch option type -dx11, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties, this time type -dx12, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. If it's still not working, then again go to properties, remove the launch options, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 6 is to update graphic card driver. So in Windows search type device manager and open it, expand display adapters, right click on your graphic card driver and then select update driver, then click on search automatically for drivers and then close it. And then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then you have to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have AMD graphic card driver, then go to the AMD website. If you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to the NVIDIA website. And if you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to the Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. So what you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and reinstall the latest version. And then you can launch the game and check. So I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. And once you are on this NVIDIA website, you have to enter your graphic card driver version over here. Then select Windows operating system, then click on find. Then you have to download and install GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow, and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option. So select this custom advanced option and then hit on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box. So you have to tick mark this perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, restart your PC once and then launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 7. Run the game as an administrator from the game installation folder, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on where Windsmith game, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now open engine folder, binaries folder, Win64R folder. Now look for the game exe file. Here is the game exe file. Right click on wwm exe file and then select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab, check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from here, from the game installation folder, and check if a problem is solved or not. If not, then check mark run this program in compatibility mode for, from here select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, then launch the game from here and check. If it's still not working, then select Windows 7 from here, hit apply, OK, then launch the game from here and check. If it's still not working, then check mark disable full screen optimization option as well, hit apply, OK, then launch the game from here and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes from the compatibility tab, hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 8 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game and then select properties, go to install files tab, then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 9 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card. So in Windows search type graphics settings and open it. Click on add desktop app. Now go to the game installation folder. Open program files x86 folder. Open Steam folder. Open Steam apps folder. Open common folder. Open where Windsmith folder. Open engine folder. Open binaries folder. Open Win64R folder. And then look for the game exe file. Select this wwm exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it. Here is the game exe file. Expand it and then click on high performance. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 10 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is given in my video description. And once you are on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both the x64 version and x86 version. You have to download both the version and then you have to install both the version one by one. So first click on x64 version. If you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Then click on x86 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the where Windsmith game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 11 is to enable disable overlay. So open Steam, go to library, right click on where Windsmith game and select properties and then enable the Steam overlay while in game. So disable it and then go ahead, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties, enable the Steam overlay while in game and then launch the game and check. So simply disable or enable the Steam overlay and see if it works or not. Disable Discord overlay, launch Discord on your PC, then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner, click on game overlay on the left panel and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience, settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then you can launch the game and check. Fixed well is to update Windows. So go to the Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them, and then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fixed button is to close conflicting or unnecessary program. So unplug external devices such as HOTAS, pedals, racing wheel, razor, Tetris. Disconnect all the additional USB adapter connected to PC. Disconnect additional joystick controllers connected to your PC. Disconnect VPN. If you are connected to VPN, then disconnect it. Disable overlay. Close all the overlay apps. Discard NVIDIA app. Close all the overclocking application. MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner. Turn off Razer Synapse, Razer Lighting Effects, and MSI Dragon Center, Corsair software. Close all the third-party services such as Nahimic services, lighting service.exe, etc. in the task manager. Remove the underworld, and then you can launch the game and check if this works or not. And the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall where wins mid game from your PC, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing into another SSD drive or external SSD drive and then launch the game and check if it works or not. So by this way you can easily fix where wins mid game not loading or stuck on loading screen problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.